Hey, you! You don't feel safe and you are afraid someone get inside your house? With this device you will be safer and your home will be more secure. Hello guys, my name is Wilson and today I bring a device that will help with your home security. The Tuya Security Systems Kit. And I have here the box and we're gonna open this and check what we have here inside. So I have here my fellow fidget spinner unboxing knife and we're gonna open this. It's the Amazon box. Here we have, we don't hurt ourselves, and here we have the smart alarm system. Small box. Was expecting a bigger box. Let's see what we have here inside. Instructions, choose your manual. Who wants this? And oh, this is the box, the Tuya smart system. As you can see, pretty nice. It's this little box, and what we have here. So it comes with 5 door sensors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, and I'm gonna put all of that here. These ones, and this is the other part of the sensors. I think they have like a human or something like that, a magnetic thing. 5 door sensors, and we have their respective pieces here. So supposedly, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has a magnetic sensor, so you put this in the door or window, and when they disconnect and it's set to alarm, it will sound really loud. We also have 2 remote controls. Here they are. Is these 2 ones. They have several functions that I'm going to talk about ahead. And is this with the 2 ones. And then you have this is like the mother of all these devices. This is the one who's going to control all these devices, the 5 sensors. It also comes with a UK plug and some USB, and what else? We have some screws and some stickers for the door sensors. So yeah, it's a full pack. It comes with everything you need, the small ones and the bigger ones, and yeah, we have everything in here. So this device works with Alexa, has a Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi. It's easy to install and easy to set up. It comes with the sticker, so you can stick it in the door or windows or wherever you want. You can put it in the fridge just to alarm when your fridge is not closed. I'm going to show how it's supposed to install it, but use your imagination. You can put in everywhere you want. Just need these two to be close to and aligned to each other.
So the devices, they don't need to be perfect aligned. They just need to be at least 15 millimeters side one of another, so they can detect it.
You also have the Tuya app, where you can remotely control all of these devices, and you can control your system anywhere and whenever you want. You can set up a timing for arming or disarming, and it has 4 modes. So you have the disarm mode, where no accessories are monitored except for those ones with attributes for 24 hours. You have the arm mode, where all the accessories are monitored. You have the home mode, where the accessories that are set as home are not monitored. And you have the SOS mode that immediately starts sounding an alarm. It's full customizable. You can customize the language, the alarm sound, the name for each of these sensors. and remote controls, multiple sets of arming, disarming or SOS modes. All these alarms will give you a notification in your app to your smartphone, and also it has two amazing features. So the first feature I want to talk about, it's the host. This is the host, and it has its own battery. So this way the alarm can still keep working when there is an emergency such as a power failure, and this can keep working for 6 hours with its own battery. This way the thieves can cut your energy and you still have an alarm at home still working, and when there is a power failure or something like that, you will receive also a notification in your device, in your smartphone, informing you about that event. The second feature is the anti-dismantling feature. So when someone forcibly tries to remove one of these things from the wall or try to destroy it, the alarm system will immediately sound an alarm and push app mobile messages to your phone so you can know what's happening with your devices. Pretty nice, huh? So all these kits is about £60. If you want to buy this kit, you can buy just these things. I think you can find about 8 to £10 each of these, but I think this kit is really complete. You have the 2 remotes, you have 5 sensors, you have the host. The host has really nice features. I'm gonna leave the link below. I got this from Amazon, you can check it out. Leave in the comments what you think about this device. If you have one, tell me your experience. If you have any questions, you can also comment below and I will try to answer as good as I can. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to press that like button, subscribe to my channel, it helps a lot, and see you next time.